Hello everyone, this is Alex from Finmo. This is the release video for March 3rd, 2020. We have a lot of awesome new functionality that I'm excited to share with you. So let's just get started. I've created a list of all the new stuff because there's so much of it. So we're just gonna start here at the top. Okay, number one, the borrower application has been reskinned. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Now the first thing you might notice is it looks a lot like the lead generation funnel. And there's a reason for that. It creates a seamless experience between the lead generation funnel and the application. Also, the restyling is a lot more mobile friendly. Now we have big friendly buttons here, big friendly check boxes. We have some big friendly input fields here with larger text than they used to have, and that just helps people on mobile phones and mobile devices fill out the application, which could result in higher completion rates. It also just looks prettier, so that's pretty cool. Additionally, the document section of the application has also been reskinned to match, including even the upload document modal. So it's all fresh and clean and it's all improved. So that's great because we love our borrowers and we want them to fill out the application and have an easy time doing it. So that's all good. Next up, we have deal due date reminders emailed to borrowers. And what that's trying to say is we have automatic outstanding documentation reminders now for deals. So if we go into a deal here, we can see how that works. Go into the documents section where you used to set the due date. You can see that it says reminders off. Click that. And we can see that below we've added this automatic reminder section. We can just click to turn that on. We can select the frequency we want reminders sent out, and then we can click set reminders to set those reminders to be sent. It'll give us a preview of what days the reminders will be sent out at, depending on the frequency we choose. So let's just say I want it done every 2 days because we're down to the wire or something like that. I can click set reminders, and that will now email my borrowers on these dates saying that, hey, you got outstanding documentation. You need to upload that so we can get your deal going. What that email actually looks like is like this. This is from a test team. It would actually be your brokerage logo. It wouldn't be a blonde man in your case, but yeah, same as every other email that's sent out from you. It has your brokerage logo, and this one's pretty straight to the point. It just says you got these outstanding documents, and you just click to upload them. So that's how that's going to work. Because I mean, all brokers know we spend a lot of time sending out reminders for people to upload their documentation. So this is kind of a quick win for, I think, a lot of us, where it's going to be so much easier to not have to worry about doing that anymore. A bigger time savings than I think a lot of us realize. So that's cool. We're super happy that we got that in. And as I said, like tons of requests for that. So we're really excited that that functionality is in there now. All right, the next ones all have to do with the deals table, the deals view. So if we go to the deals view, I'll start with this change. You'll see that there's choose columns up here now. And now you can choose what information is displayed on the deals table, because some teams need different information displayed than other teams do. This will also save. So if I refresh this page, you can see that it stays exactly the way I set it to. Just reset that back to default there. Another change is that you can now filter by team members. And this works for everyone except for limited team members who can only see their own deals. So if Marnie goes on vacation and I need to handle her deals for her, I could just filter by her deals and make sure I got everything that she's been working on. And that's how that works. So another change here is you can see that there are multiple borrowers listed under borrowers instead of just the primary borrower. So what that allows us to do also that's handy is we can now search by any borrower on the deal. Doesn't have to be the first borrower. It could be any borrower on the deal. So that should just make it a little bit easier for us to find deals we're looking for, because we don't need to search by the primary borrower. We can just search by any borrower. So that's kind of nice. Additionally, one last change we made to the table view is this plus button to add team members. So say on this deal, I want to add Marnie and Siobhan. I can just go here. It goes right to the section where I can add team members, which is right here. And then I would just get Marnie and Siobhan in there, and I would save that. And now they're on this deal. So it's just a shortcut to that section, just a quicker way to add team members than to go into the deal, go back to the overview, and then add the team members. It's a little bit of a shortcut. So that's pretty much that. What do we have next? Next, we have changes to the referral link builder. One of the big changes here in the referral link builder is you can now edit your referral sources. And so if Jane has a new email address, I could simply update it to whatever her new email is. And that's pretty much that. Another change that we've made to this is limited team members can only see referral links that are assigned to them. So if an assigned broker is, so if I'm a limited team member, I'd be able to see this one because it's assigned to me, but I wouldn't be able to see one that's assigned to somebody else. I don't know if any of these are. Oh, so I wouldn't be able to see this one because it's not assigned to me. But for anyone who's a team member or a team admin, they'll see all of them just like they have always been able to. So that's the second change that we've made to the referral or the lead generation section and referral link building. What is next? Oh, okay. This one is a subtle change in all deals. We're changing the nomenclature from approved to accepted. So, because approved sometimes got confused with like lender approved versus accepted is just kind of like broker accepted it. So we had a few requests to change that to accept. So we've changed that to accept instead of approved. And I think that that's all the functionality changes we made this time around. So I'll see you guys in a couple weeks for the next changes in the next video. All right, awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.